Cafe.
So now you're looking in the mirror, but still mirrored all your views. You hear us, but you don't cheer us, due to the fact that you're still confused. Are we this? Are we that? Are we an error that'll be syntax? You don't know yet, you assume. You can step foot into our room, where soundedelic styles are in bloom, where we originate so fast we go zoom, faster than a witch upon her broom, faster than a hurricane or a monsoon. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. The matter in hand is a mic and a mic stand, and definition of sound as the name brand. So you can write our name in your sand. As we bring forth the funk that'll flow like a stream, better yet H2O. As come what may, in our own way, we touch down at Moirah's Cafe.
Jane's Cafe.
Ideas that seem caught by your confusion, cause of illusions thrown into your realm, leaving you off on your own without no foresight, angle or point. You fall into a pothole of needles and joints, but now transcend as comes a new blend, a find their form beginning to end. Making the race for creative source, way out west, but rest assured still on course. As life did, but take steps that are deep, so an underground that slumbered no longer sleeps. To weep no tears over a compromise, and the sound like a phoenix starts to rise, held in the decay, but yet the demise of all the word on wise. See, this is not a need